In about 15 seconds, these halls will reverberate with the sound of an intruder. The sound of laughter will turn to gasps, and a horrific announcement will crackle through the PA speakers. But just seconds after the intruder makes himself known, something else will take place. The Klacci KU Campus series will utilize the latest technology to detect gunfire. Using electronic access control, the control system will then receive a signal, enabling an automatic lockdown, securing the nearby doors, while broadcasting mass notifications and alerting the authorities. The principal or security guards can also control evacuation, complete lockdown, and notify the police with a single pull of a card. And suddenly, a new sound will reverberate through these halls. The sound of security, followed by the sound of hope.